The music world has been rocked to its core. David, once celebrated for his emotional lyrics and massive online following, is now at the center of one of the darkest scandals we've ever seen. In September 2025, investigators uncovered the dismembered remains of 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez inside an abandoned Tesla in the Hollywood Hills. Our discovery is so disturbing, it's left both fans and critics in absolute shock. But this isn't just about a tragic crime scene. This case stretches back years through secret Discord chats, viral screenshots, disturbing song lyrics, and missed warning signs that so many people say could have saved Celeste's life. Was this all hiding in plain sight? In today's deep dive, we're breaking down the full timeline. From Celeste's first online encounters with the singer, to the chilling evidence fans uncovered, to the explosive fallout shaking the entire music industry. Stick around, because the details you're about to hear are darker and more twisted than you could ever imagine. It all began with a car, a seemingly ordinary Tesla abandoned in the Hollywood Hills. But inside, authorities made a discovery that would shock the world. The body of a young girl, Celeste Rivas Hernandez, was found, just a head and torso, sealed in a bag. The vehicle had been sitting in a tow yard for days, unnoticed by most, until the foul odor finally drew attention. Imagine the horror investigators must have felt upon seeing this. A missing child, gone for over a year, reduced to this tragic state. Celeste had first disappeared in April of 2024, only to be found, then vanish again, this time never to return. She would have just turned 15 at the time of her passing. Her disappearance sparked concern, but nothing could prepare the public for the revelation that her remains were discovered in a car registered to none other than David, whose music had been capturing millions of hearts. Of course, finding her in his car doesn't automatically mean he's guilty. Investigations are still ongoing, but the details surrounding how the car was found, where it was parked, and the timeline of Celeste's disappearance are raising serious questions. Sources confirmed the car had been towed from a Hollywood Hills location, just steps away from a home David had rented through his management. LAPD detectives were seen combing the area, collecting computers and evidence bags, signaling just how seriously this case is being treated. And then there's the timeline. The car sat for days in a tow yard before the discovery. Investigators are piecing together why it was there, why it wasn't reported sooner, and how it links to both the singer and the young victim. Every detail, every movement is under the microscope. The proximity of the car to David's residence, combined with the history of Celeste's disappearances, has created a storm of speculation and fear. And as more details surface, the story becomes even more chilling. As shocking as the discovery in the Tesla was, investigators and fans quickly turned their attention to the digital trail left behind. Screenshots and social media posts began circulating, painting a deeply disturbing picture of the interactions between David and Celeste. One set of messages from Discord, dating back to July 2024, Celeste, then just 14 years old, posting a photo of her ring finger, complete with a ring resembling an engagement band, and a tattoo with David's name on the inside of her finger. In the same conversation, David allegedly wrote, "Me and deleted user got a kid on the way." These messages quickly went viral, leaving the public stunned. Was this just shocking roleplay, or was there a deeper, darker reality behind it? People started digging, and more screenshots emerged, showing David addressing the girl in private chats, claiming to want a public relationship, but insisting it remains secret because of her age and schooling. In these messages, he reassured her, telling her he would wait until the time was right. To fans, these messages didn't just raise eyebrows, they raised alarms. It gets even more chilling. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to my channel to never miss such awesome deep facts that no one will tell you about the story. Old posts from 2022 surfaced, where David referenced notes from Celeste about wanting to see her family again, writing lines that now seem haunting in retrospect. "Take me where I belong, but our circumstances won't allow us to be in our ideal situations." People began piecing together a timeline. David reportedly first met Celeste in 2021, when she was only 11, through social media and online gaming platforms like Fortnite. By 2022 to 2023, interactions escalated into private Discord chats, some of which were being monitored by fans who later attempted to alert authorities, often unsuccessfully. The digital trail doesn't stop there. Unreleased music tracks allegedly referencing Celeste, engagement ring photos, and messages suggesting a child on the way all began surfacing online. Screenshots, screen recordings, and photos posted by fans showed them together, sometimes in intimate poses, hinting at a relationship that should never have existed. Reddit users and Discord moderators spoke out, some alleging that attempts to report the situation were ignored, muted, or dismissed. And yet, this evidence, while alarming, has not been officially confirmed by investigators, leaving fans and the public in a state of growing fear, speculation, and outrage. To understand how this tragedy unfolded, we we need to go back to the very beginning, when Celeste and David first crossed paths. According to multiple sources and digital records, their initial contact wasn't in a concert crowd or through mutual friends. It was online. Celeste, a young teenager, reportedly met David while playing Fortnite and later connected with him on Discord. At the time, she was just 11 or 12, while he was already 17. And the timeline is haunting. Celeste reportedly ran away multiple times, each instance followed by re establishing contact with David. Sources claim he used his influence and promises to maintain control over her, cultivating a pattern of secrecy and manipulation. Even messages and posts that seemed harmless at first, like sharing interests in Hello Kitty, school life, or music, are now viewed under a chilling lens, revealing how grooming often begins subtly before escalating into full blown abuse. So here's the question everyone is asking: could these digital breadcrumbs have foreshadowed the tragic events that followed? Were the warnings ignored too long? And most importantly, what does this trail tell us about the connection between David and Celeste and the chilling circumstances that led to her death? The answers are still emerging, but one thing is clear: the digital footprint left behind has become one of the most controversial and disturbing aspects of this entire case. So here's the unnerving part. People who monitored the server, friends, and online moderators all say they saw red flags, yet little was done. By the time the authorities discovered her remains, the digital evidence already painted a picture of a prolonged, disturbing pattern. It's a stark reminder of how predators can exploit technology and how even a small, seemingly innocent connection online can spiral into something tragic when warnings go unheeded. But that's not all. The next piece of this puzzle, the public and fan reaction, would uncover a web of messages, music, and images that make the case even more haunting. And that's what we'll cover in the next section. As investigators and fans dug deeper, the focus shifted to David's music, his lyrics, videos, and social media posts, which suddenly took on a much darker meaning. Songs that once seemed emotional or edgy began to feel chillingly prescient. Fans pointed to unreleased tracks allegedly referencing Celeste, with lines that now read like a disturbing narrative. Mentions of a girl with his name tattooed, and references to someone dying in the back of his mind. It doesn't stop at lyrics. Music videos, such as his 2025 release, One More Dance, show imagery eerily resembling putting a body in a trunk. Fans noticed patterns, posts and songs released on dates coinciding with key moments in Celeste's timeline, including her birthday. Even older hits like Romantic Homicide were re examined, with viewers noting unsettling connections to her disappearance. Social media posts, TikTok clips, and even seemingly playful fan interactions now appear haunting in retrospect. David's public persona, the mock funerals at shows, cryptic posts, and imagery involving death added fuel to the fire. Critics and fans alike began questioning: were these creative expressions, or were they disturbing clues pointing to a grim reality? Drop your opinion in the comments below. The digital breadcrumbs in his art, combined with the Discord messages and photos, created a narrative that fans and internet sleuths couldn't ignore. Suddenly, the line between artistic expression and real world actions blurred, leaving the public both horrified and obsessed. And this is where the story truly spirals into a tangled web of music, obsession, and tragedy. A web that's still unraveling as authorities continue their investigation. While fans piece together the digital and musical clues, law enforcement was quietly moving behind the scenes. The Los Angeles Police Department confirmed that with Celeste were discovered inside a Tesla registered to David, abandoned in the Hollywood Hills. Her body, tragically reduced to a head and torso sealed in a bag, had been sitting in the tow yard for days before anyone noticed the foul odor. Authorities immediately launched a full investigation, combing the scene and tracing every connection. The house where David had been living, rented by his manager, was searched by LAPD homicide detectives. They reportedly removed computers, evidence bags, and other items that could shed light on his relationship with Celeste. While the police have not officially linked the house search to her death, the proximity of the vehicle's location to his residence raised eyebrows across the city. Fans and journalists alike noted the car had been driven through alleys, possibly to avoid traffic cameras, hinting at an attempt to conceal something. Despite the shocking evidence, authorities have been tight-lipped about specific charges or suspects, fueling online speculation. Many fans expressed frustration over what they perceived as slow action, especially after screenshots and Discord messages suggesting prior warnings went unheeded. Comments on Reddit, Twitter, and Discord revealed a sense of disbelief. People asking how a missing girl's cries for help could have been overlooked for so long. Even with David cancelling tour dates and a planned album release, police insist the investigation is ongoing. No official confirmation has been given about his legal status, whether he is a suspect, person of interest, or under formal investigation, leaving the public to wrestle with the horrifying possibilities. Meanwhile, The LAPD continues to piece together digital evidence, interviews, and forensic data, slowly constructing a clearer picture of the events leading up to Sue Lestay's tragic death. So, while the digital and musical breadcrumbs have drawn millions of eyes online, it's the official investigation that will ultimately determine the truth. And as the case unfolds, one thing is clear: the combination of fan sleuthing and law enforcement action has created a tense, high stakes race for answers. Answers that could finally bring justice to a life lost too soon. As the shocking details of Sue Lestay's death and David's alleged involvement spread, social media erupted. Fans, journalists, and casual viewers alike flooded platforms with outrage, disbelief, and grief. Twitter, TikTok, and Reddit were filled with viral threads, screenshots, and theories, some pointing to possible evidence, others just trying to make sense of an unimaginable tragedy. The reaction was swift and intense. Celebrities and influencers distanced themselves from David, unfollowing him online and publicly condemning any association. Fans began dissecting old music videos, lyrics, and social media posts, interpreting every image and line as a potential clue. Even old posts that seemed harmless suddenly appeared disturbing in light of the events. The public outcry isn't just about celebrity scandal, it's about outrage at a tragedy that might have been preventable. And while the investigation continues, social media has become both a hub for mourning and a platform for pressure, demanding answers, accountability, and justice for a life cut tragically short. Everything we've got so far, the discovery, the digital trail, the disturbing lyrics, and the police investigation, all builds to this: the explosive revelations that have shocked both fans and the public. As investigators combed through David's devices and online accounts, new evidence emerged that painted a far more complex and horrifying picture. Screenshots and messages surfaced online showing interactions between David and with C. Lestay that many describe as manipulative and controlling. Some messages hinted at attempts to harm friends and family to keep their relationship secret, and even references to a potential pregnancy. Details remain unverified but have fueled widespread concern. Fans point to photos leaked from his iCloud, showing the two together, alongside notes and posts that seem to track key moments in Sue Lestay's life. David's reputation is in tatters, his tour cancelled, and social media remains ablaze with outrage, grief, and unanswered questions. And yet, despite the overwhelming public scrutiny and digital breadcrumbs, the investigation is ongoing, leaving the world to grapple with one devastating truth: the full story is far from over, and the shocking reality of what really happened may still be unfolding before our eyes. The allegations, evidence, and unanswered questions around David with C. Lestay's death have left everyone searching for answers. How did she end up in the Tesla? What really happened in her final months? And who is truly responsible? Drop your opinion in the comments below. Authorities are still investigating, fans are digging, and every new post could change everything. So here's the question: as more evidence comes out, will justice be served, or are darker truths still waiting to be uncovered? You're going to want to stick around for what comes next, because just when you think the celebrity world couldn't get any crazier, it keeps throwing shocking twists at us. David Harbour and Lily Allen's dramatic split, Brooks and Billy Hare's unexpected breakup, Jessica Alba and Cash Warren's long marriage falling apart, even Dakota Johnson and Chris Martin's rumors turning real. It's like the tabloids came to life. But here's the thing: the two biggest splits, the ones everyone's whispering about behind the scenes, haven't even been revealed yet. The details are so wild, so intense, that they make everything we've seen so far look tame. Insiders are talking. And once this story breaks, everyone will be talking about it. Trust me, missing this would mean being completely out of the loop. You'll want to be here when it all finally comes to light. And the reactions, they're going to be unforgettable. And if you're loving the content, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss the next one. Trust me, what's coming is even wilder.